Okay, so I made a post today. You may have seen it. Kim isn't feeling great. Her tummy's upset. So one other thing that I have started doing with her is Animalio's G.I. Joe. This is for any sort of GI upset. So they recommend using the petting method. So I'm just gonna put 1 to 3 drops in my hand. So it doesn't come out all that easy in the small bottles, but I've got about 2 drops in my hand right now. Come here, sweetie. Good job. I'm just gonna rub it in my hands. You don't need a whole lot. And I'm gonna rub on her, avoiding her eyes, her ears, and her feet. So that's it. You need a very, very little bit. And I don't do this too terribly often. You don't need a huge concentration on their abdomen either. But yeah, that's it. That's how easy it is. I just do this a couple of times a day. Not too terribly often, but it depends on how sick your dog is.